emotional night for me. It was 2 years ago when I sat with Simon drinking a bottle of scotch, and I said, Simon, you know, I'm an Indian, but in my head I'm English, but in my heart I am a proper Indian. What I want to do is bring Bollywood and the Got Talent brand together. And he said, darling, I think you should. And here we are now, 2 years later, trying to get this show to be an amazing show. We have all the best international acts from around the world, China, Hong Kong, the whole place. And all under one roof, where now India is on the map and it's #1 international market.
मैं भी अपनी एक magic trick करने वाला हूँ. I'm gonna make Darcy vanish because I don't like anyone being on stage with me. Okay, Darcy, vanish. I want to thank Got Talent team, Rav, who's been directing it, Simon Cowell, Raj for bringing it here, and the world over, wherever they show it. I just got to know they have one in Afghanistan too. So wonderful, not only just Britain's Got Talent and India's Got Talent. And it's one of the most amazing platforms. Whoever thought of it and put it together has really done a great service to talents around the world who don't get an opportunity. And I'm sure the further it is spread, the bigger it is made, we will find some amazing talent all around the world. I don't know if it has been done before. I'm sorry I've not educated myself on that, but this perhaps would be the first time anywhere in the world that all the world talent, all the people who have performed on some of these shows, some who are perhaps new, are going to come together and put up a show at the Andheri Sports Complex. And it's a great opportunity for all of us to see the world talent. No competition. I don't think talent has any competition, but it's just going to be an amazing showcasing.
This one event, which will not only be telecast in India, but probably in about 70 countries globally, I think will open the world's eyes
towards what we can do.
Towards what we can do. And let me tell you, I've seen talent from all over the world. हमारे बच्चे कोई कम नहीं.
I'm going to host the show on the evening, on the 6th evening. I'd like to put it all together for these 14, 15, 16, or even more maybe, or less. But they are about, when I was reading about it when Raj told me, and I think Rav has started designing it, there are about 16 performances mixed with Indian and international artists. But I was just happy to be a part of it, and you know, just all bind it together. I really don't have the kind of talent the guys and girls who are going to perform on the stage have. So मैं थोड़ा सा backstage पे रह के पीछे अच्छा सूट वूट पहन के बातचीत करके आप लोगों को bind कर दूंगा इस show में, because I think it's an important platform not only for Indian talent to be showcased worldwide. I think it's also important for the exposure of Indian talent to see what the world talent has reached. The fact that you don't understand your own talent, I think, is the most beautiful space to be talented. The day you understand your talent and you think you're talented, then it's just a commodity that you're selling. So I think the best way to live life is not know what is special about you and remain ordinary as you are.